This is a SKYZHENG camera filter adapter ring. It specifically goes from 40.5 millimeters up to 67 millimeters. I was sent this to review for free. If you want to purchase it, it would cost you about $11. They haven't paid me for my review, so my opinions remain my own. Alright, so this filter ring is machined out of aluminum, and it will specifically convert a 40.5 millimeter up to a 67 millimeter lens. For example, if you had the kit lens for a Sony Alpha here, that's 40.5, this guy should screw in here, so those threads fit very nicely. And that would allow you to take a larger 67 millimeter filter. Alright, once I got that started, the threads were very easy to go in. So it fits the filter, it fits the camera, it does exactly what it says it should do.